What you do now is just add this little ackee and you leave it to simmer. Serve this up with, you can even have it with bread.
Hello and welcome to Caribbean Paradise. Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish, is a passionate celebration of the island's history and spirit, a dish born from the convergence of nature, resilience, and cultural fusion. Its story unfurls with the fascinating ackee fruit, a vibrant and enigmatic ingredient that demands both respect and careful handling. When fully ripened, the fruit opens naturally to reveal soft, buttery flesh, its hue reminiscent of dawn's first light. This peculiar transformation mirrors the very journey of the Jamaican people, emerging from challenge into a state of celebrated vibrancy. Saltfish, typically crafted from salted cod, brings with it a tale of survival and resourcefulness. Introduced as a reliable source of protein during eras when preserving food was essential, saltfish found a welcoming home in Jamaica, complementing the delicate ackee perfectly with its robust, savory character. The process of preparing the saltfish speaks volumes about the culinary artistry passed down through generations. It requires patience, as the fish is soaked or boiled to temper its saltiness, allowing it to harmonize exquisitely with the gentle creaminess of the ackee. In the kitchen, the creation of ackee and saltfish is as much an art as it is a ritual. Every step is imbued with tradition, from selecting only the fruit that has naturally opened, a safeguard against nature's hidden dangers, to thoughtfully rehydrating the saltfish to reveal its full depth of flavor. The dish is further enlivened by the addition of aromatic ingredients such as onions, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers, and thyme. These accompaniments not only add vibrant color and complexity to the presentation but also echo the joyful and spirited nature of Jamaican life. This dish transcends the confines of a mere meal. It is an emblem of cultural identity and unity, enjoyed at breakfast tables, festive gatherings, and even casual roadside eateries. Ackee and saltfish encapsulates the fusion of African heritage with European influences, woven together by local ingenuity and a shared love for bold flavors. Every bite is a narrative of endurance, a salute to the islanders who transformed humble ingredients into a masterpiece that resonates with both history and heart. Beyond its role as a staple of everyday cuisine, ackee and saltfish is a living, breathing symbol of Jamaica's enduring ability to adapt and celebrate life in its fullest form. It challenges us to look deeper into our own culinary traditions, to appreciate how food can carry profound stories and inspire community and conversation. In every household where the dish is prepared with care, its aromas and textures bring forward memories of ancestors, moments of shared laughter, and a communal sense of pride, a reminder that every meal can be a remarkable story waiting to be told.
Well, but for this we're going to use peppers for coloring. Scotch bonnet, very very hot Scotch bonnet. Colors coming together. Alright. Just cut this forced vine tomato, or you can try a little bit. What you do now is just add this little ackee and you leave it to simmer. Serve this up with, you can even have it with bread. So it's just a perfect dish. And this is our national dish, and I cook it with extreme pride.
Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Keep being beautiful.